The Slap. Premiered 2015 genres TV drama. Viva Laughlin. Premiered 2007 genres TV. The Lucie Arnaz Show. Premiered 1985. Too Close for Comfort. Premiered 1980 genres TV sitcom. Comedy More Too Close for Comfort 24 of 33 20-plus 1980s sitcoms that will still make you laugh 211 of 305 The greatest sitcoms in television history 46 of 64 The best sitcoms of the 1980s. Payne. Premiered 1999 genres TV sitcom. Worst Week. Premiered 2008 genres TV sitcom comedy. Dangerous Women. Premiered 1991 genres TV soap opera drama. 11th Hour. Premiered 2008 genres TV, police procedural, drama, mystery, science fiction. In Treatment. Premiered 2008 genres TV, drama More in Treatment 362 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate 76 of 99. The best HBO original series 39 of 51. The best HBO dramas of all time. The Masked Singer. Premiered 2019 genres TV, reality competition, music More The Masked Singer dreamcasting celebrities we want to see on The Masked Singer 31 of 85 The best black TV shows of the last few years 11 of 56 The best newer TV shows the whole family can enjoy. Gracepoint. Genres TV, drama, crime fiction. Cracker. Premiered 1997 genres TV, crime fiction, police procedural, drama. Ugly Betty. Premiered 2006 genres TV, comedy drama, romantic comedy More Ugly Betty 82 of 241. The greatest TV shows for women 105 of 342. The best female-led TV shows 38 of 75. The best ABC shows of all time. The Tomorrow People. Premiered 2013 genres TV. VR Troopers. Premiered 1994 genres TV, children's television series, science fiction. The Good Doctor. Premiered 2017 genres TV, medical, drama More The best episodes of The Good Doctor 32 of 423. The best new shows that have premiered in the last few years 31 of 129. The best shows currently on the air. Big Brother. Premiered 2000 genres TV, reality television More Big Brother 109 of 195. The dumbest reality shows of all time 25 of 49. The trashiest TV shows you can't help loving 66 of 417. The best reality TV shows ever. Antiques Roadshow. Premiered 1979 genres TV, special interest documentary. The Hexer. Premiered 2002 genres TV, drama, action, fantasy. Queer as Folk. Premiered 2000 genres TV, soap opera, drama, comedy drama more queer as folk 260 of 395 the greatest TV dramas of all time 22 of 47 the best Showtime shows of all time, ranked 16 of 77 the best Showtime original shows. The Killing. Premiered 2011 genres TV, crime drama, mystery more The Killing the best seasons of The Killing 121 of 342 the best female-led TV shows 276 of 339 the best TV shows of the last 20 years. Three's Company. Premiered 1977 genres TV, sitcom, comedy more Three's Company 45 of 447 the funniest TV shows of all time 9 of 75 the best ABC shows of all time 5 of 64 the best sitcoms of the 1980s. Kath Kim. Premiered 2008 genres TV, sitcom, comedy more Kath and Kim 301 of 305 the greatest sitcoms in television history 595 of 1322 the best guilty pleasure TV shows 13 of 22 the best 2000s NBC comedy shows. Life on Mars. Premiered 2008 genres TV, crime fiction, action/adventure, police procedural. Getting On. Premiered 2013 genres TV, sitcom, comedy. The Inbetweeners. Premiered 2012 genres TV, sitcom, comedy. Coupling. Premiered 2003 genres TV, sitcom, comedy. Men Behaving Badly. Premiered 1996 genres TV, sitcom, comedy. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Premiered 1993 genres TV, adventure film, action more Mighty Morphin Power Rangers 22 Power Rangers memes even mightier than Morphin times 69 of 242 the best Saturday morning cartoons for mid-80s 90s kids 34 of 83 the best after-school shows from the 90s. All in the Family. Premiered 1971 genres TV, sitcom, comedy. Prime Suspect. Premiered 2011 genres TV, action/adventure, drama, adventure film, action. House of Cards. Premiered 2013 genres TV, political drama, political thriller more House of Cards 32 facts you didn't know about House of Cards plot points that happened IRL. Skins. Premiered 2011 genres TV, teen drama, drama, comedy. Veep. Premiered 2012 genres TV, political satire, comedy more Veep the best characters on HBO Veep, ranking the best seasons of Veep 169 of 241, the greatest TV shows for women. Homeland. Premiered 2011 genres TV, Suspense, drama, thriller. More Homeland. The best characters on Homeland. 15 things Homeland gets wrong about the intelligence community. 143 of 253. The best TV shows streaming on Hulu. Shameless. Premiered 2011. Genres: TV, comedy, drama. More Shameless. Every season of Shameless ranked best to worst. 8 of 95. The best drama TV series. Wilfred. Premiered 2011. Genres: TV, black comedy. More Wilfred. 28 of 67. The best FX original shows. 526 of 640. The best TV shows to binge watch. The Office. Premiered 2005. Genres: TV, sitcom, mockumentary. More The Office. 29 times Kevin Malone proved that he was the MVP of The Office. Every episode of The Office ranked. Sanford and Son. Premiered 1972. Genres: TV, sitcom, comedy. More Sanford and Son. 33 of 508. The best TV theme songs of all time. 4 of 89. The greatest black sitcoms of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.